This is the MC-D1 Dakar prototype, a reimagined Range Rover Velar Prerunner built on a bespoke 4130 chromoly steel chassis. At its core is a twin-turbo Lamborghini V10, sourced from a Huracan, capable of producing over 1,600 horsepower. Equipped with King 4.0 bypass shocks and 37-inch tires, this rig offers unparalleled control and suspension travel, while the mid-rear engine placement optimizes weight distribution for extreme performance. Inside, luxury meets functionality with McLaren's 720S seats and a dust-proof pressurized cabin, ensuring comfort even in the harshest conditions. Morgan Clark Design plans to produce just 7 units, with this being the only one powered by a Lamborghini engine. Testing begins January 2025, and I can't wait to see this beast out on the dunes. So what do you think, guys? Would you rock this Range Rover off-road?